Tired of what you're seeing on your TikTok For You page and want to reset it? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily reset your For You page on the TikTok app. Now let's get started. To reset your TikTok For You page, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Content Preferences. Now select Refresh your For You feed. At the bottom, tap Continue. In the pop-up menu, tap Refresh. Your For You page will then be reset, and the types of videos you see on it will be refreshed. TikTok's algorithm can then start from scratch, discovering what you prefer to watch on the app, based on how you interact with what comes up on your For You page, as well as the creators you follow and what you search for. This is a great feature for whenever you want to discover new types of content or are no longer interested in what you're seeing on your For You page. That's all it takes to reset your For You feed on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.